Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Solitaire app on your mobile device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store, but since I'm using an iPhone, I'm going to go to the App Store, this blue button on the right side of my home screen, and then from there go down to the search page on the bottom right and start typing in Solitaire, press search. And then from there, I always skip past the first advert, go to the first organic listing, the Solitaire app right here. This is by far the best Solitaire app that I've ever found. And from there, it always shows you either a get button or a blue, like a sort of cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow in blue on the right hand side. The cloud icon just means that I've downloaded this on my account before, but if you've not downloaded this app before, it will say the get button. Either way, press that, and then that's going to start downloading the app onto the device. You can basically see the progress of the installation or the download from the blue ring going around the circle. Once the blue ring has completed, that means that the app has fully downloaded. So I will come back in a little second. And there we can see, guys, Solitaire has fully downloaded on this device. The App Store then gives us the option to actually open the app from within the App Store by pressing the open button. Press that. That will launch the app on your device. Privacy consent, press accept. Allow Solitaire to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. I press allow here because that will give us tailored advertisements in the future, either on social media or on search engines or wherever you're browsing, because that will track our interests and things that we like. So welcome to Solitaire. You can press the play button and then start playing Solitaire from there. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.